welcome to my channel. My name is Heather Anderson of So Heather, and today I'm here to share 5 summer trends that you should ditch if you're over 40, and I'm going to be replacing those trends with some amazing trends that you can wear no matter what your age. So these are just suggestions. These are just my ideas, so you certainly don't have to follow all of them. Again, these are just things that, in my opinion, you shouldn't be wearing if you're over age 40. So please let me know down below in the comment section what your favorite summer trend was, because I am going to be sharing 5 looks that replace the summer trends that you should be ditching for ones that you should be wearing, because I promise you all of these amazing outfits will allow you to look incredibly chic, incredibly stylish, and just be the best version of yourself, which is why I started this channel in the first place, is to help women just like you look and feel amazing, look and feel confident, because I believe if you do both of those things, you will exude confidence, and that will always allow you to be the best version of yourself. So let's get started. But before I do, if you would hit that little subscribe button, I would truly appreciate it. I really appreciate all of your support. Thank you for shopping off of my links. Thank you for watching my videos. If it wasn't for you wonderful and beautiful ladies, I wouldn't be able to do what it is I love to do, which is make videos for you in the fashion world. So thank you so much. Okay, let's start off with the first trend you should not be wearing if you're over 40, and that is biker shorts. This is certainly not a new trend. This trend has been around for a while, but it is still holding strong in 2020. And I will say, unless you're going to the gym, I would not wear biker shorts. I just don't think they're very flattering. I don't care how much of a killer body you think you might have, or you actually do have. That is awesome, but I just don't think that biker shorts are very flattering, especially for women over age 40. So what you can replace them with, if you are comfortable wearing shorts, are paper bag waist shorts, because these are more flattering for a couple reasons. They're baggier. So because they're bigger, and they're actually bigger around the circumference of your thighs, they're going to make your legs look smaller. They're going to make your legs look thinner, and just, make you look like the best version of yourself. So the look I want to talk about here are these amazing Alice and Olivia paper bag waist shorts. They're very high-waisted, which means they're going to hit right below your rib cage. And actually that part of your waist is typically the skinniest and the thinnest part of a woman's waist. So that is why I feel like the paper bag waist shorts are so flattering. Honestly, anything with a paper bag waist is extremely flattering because it is very high-waisted. I don't wear a lot of prints, but this one I felt like was a subtle enough print, because it is just like neutral colors, black and beige, that I loved it. I don't know why. I just thought, you know what? I usually don't love prints, but I actually liked this print. These are very comfortable shorts. They're roomy. They're baggy, so again, it makes my legs look thinner than they really are. It probably makes them look longer as well, because this waistband hits well above my belly button. And then I just paired it back with a black sheer top. This is also from Alice and Olivia. I actually wore a bandeau bra underneath it, so I will link that down below, because I know a lot of you ladies are interested in the undergarments that I wear sometimes with my tops. So I will link this really cool lace bandeau bra down below. But I love this top because it does have sleeves. So if you're a woman who wants your arms covered, this top will obviously do that. But I also think it's tastefully sexy because it's sheer. But if you just wear the bandeau bra underneath it, then, that way you're not showing too much skin. Obviously, you would not want to wear this top with no bra. Like, don't do that. But I loved the top, just paired, back with these shorts. This is a very chic and sophisticated and polished summer look. And then I just did the frame lace-up heels, which I love. They're very comfortable because the heel height is about 3 inches, 3.25 inches. So very wearable, very on trend. The lace-up heels are extremely, fashion forward and very on trend for 2020. So this is just a fabulous summer look. You could wear to brunch. You could wear to lunch with your girlfriends, even if you're just going to be staying at home, because I know some people are still quarantining. Maybe you're just going to have a few people over for some, cocktails in your backyard or something like that. You could certainly wear this look to that as well. Okay, the number two trend you should ditch if you're over 40 are mini skirts. I just think mini skirts probably look better on the younger crowd. So what you should wear instead, and my personal favorite style of skirt, is the midi skirt. I think there is nothing chicer than a midi skirt or a midi dress. And I particularly love this one by Anine Bing. It is an animal print, but again, it's a very subtle print because it's just some neutral colors. Obviously, it's got the black and then a really beautiful gold shade. So I love black and gold. I love that color combination. Again, I think this skirt is very slimming because it does hit below the knee, making it a midi skirt. And since it is made of this very lightweight, satiny, silky material, it's perfect for summertime because it's very cool. It breathes very easily. And it also hits above the belly button as well. So it's very slimming. It has a very slimming effect. I love Anine Bing. If you guys don't know who she is, she's an amazing designer that lives in California right now. I'm pretty sure she's actually from Australia, but she has the coolest style. She makes the coolest pieces. They're all very high quality and reasonably affordable. So absolutely love this skirt. It's not going to go out of style anytime soon because since it is an animal print, trust me, animal print is not going out of style. I feel like it's a neutral print. You can really mix and match and wear with anything. So I just decided to pair it with a simple black V-neck bodysuit by Allison Olivia. I'm pretty sure this bodysuit is on sale. There's also a black V-neck bodysuit by Free People that's extremely similar. It looks like almost identical, but it's under $50. So I will link that one down below in my description box. So also know this, if there's anything in my description box from any of these looks that's on the expensive side, I will always link a steal version because I believe no matter what your budget, you should be able to shop on my channel. And then I just paired it back with the same black lace-up heels, proving their versatility. I literally wear these heels with everything, jeans, skirts, dresses, like you name it. I wear them a lot because they're so wearable and they're so comfortable. Okay, the next trend you should ditch if you're over 40 is the neon like highlight trend. Like all these neon colors, the bright greens, the bright pinks, like just not my favorite. I just feel like they don't look very sophisticated. They don't look very polished and they just don't look very age appropriate. So instead of wearing crazy bright colors, ditch that trend for wearing more neutral colors. There's a couple reasons I love wearing neutral colors. Number one, they just look more expensive. Anything that is more of a neutral color like navy, black, tan, beige, even if the material isn't high quality, it's still going to look high quality most of the time because the color is a solid color and it's just a more neutral color. So I wanted to feature two items under this category of things that you can wear instead of the crazy loud colors. So one is this navy blue jumpsuit, which I'm actually wearing right now. I love this jumpsuit because it has this halter neckline, so it's very tastefully sexy. And of course it has a beautiful navy blue shade, which is a great neutral color that's going to look more expensive even if it's not. This jumpsuit is reasonably priced. It is high quality. It's like this really nice jersey material. It feels really soft against your skin. I think it's extremely flattering because it has the tie belt around the waist, so it's going to accentuate your waist, and also it's going to make you look crazy tall because it is a flare leg. So the flare leg or the bell bottom or whatever you want to call it is definitely the most flattering silhouette for pants or denim, okay? The reason is because the hemline hits the very bottom of the floor and then the waistline comes up well above the belly button. So this entire jumpsuit is probably going to make you look 6 inches taller and probably 10 pounds thinner. Like, it is super flattering. I actually have on some crazy high platform suede shoes by Michael Kors. They're old. I've had them forever. The reason is I didn't have time to go to the tailors, and actually I love wearing platform shoes with jumpsuits because since I'm 5'4" with these platforms on, I'm probably 5'8", maybe 5'9". So I'm automatically taller. I would recommend pairing this jumpsuit for sure with a heel. It doesn't have to be a crazy high platform like mine. It can just be a regular heel, but this is a great jumpsuit. It's timeless. It's versatile. Throw a leather jacket on over it, throw a blazer over it, or just wear it by itself. Like, I would wear this on a date night, on a girl's night out, to a shower, to a Sunday brunch, like just numerous possibilities. It's something you can purchase today and have in your closet for probably 5 years, and it's not going to go out of style. So this is just a great versatile basic that I think will take you many, many places. Okay, the next basic that I think over 40 women should wear instead of the crazy bright colors is a simple black midi dress. Again, I said before that midi The midi length, whether it's a dress or a skirt, is my absolute favorite length of dress for women our ages. The reason is it comes below the knee. It's going to cover the knee. And let's be honest, our knees, at least my knees, are not my favorite part of my body. So I do love covering them up. This black midi dress is slimming. It's comfortable. It's under $100. It's so cool because you can wear it with sneakers and just like go run errands. You look incredibly chic, but you're super comfortable. And then you can totally change the look up of this dress by, taking the sneakers off and putting on a pair of killer heels. These are gold lace-up heels by Anine Bing. Again, with the lace-up trend, but I love lace-up heels. These are also very comfortable because the heel height is literally like 2 inches. So they're very wearable, very comfortable. I did find a pair of more reasonably priced gold heels on the Revolve website, and I will link those down below in my description box as well. But you can never go wrong with a little black dress. This can take you so many places, casual or dressy. And again, it's under $100, so it's super affordable. All right. The next trend you should ditch if you're over 40 is crazy loud prints. So like these crazy florals and like dark florals. Like, I'm not saying I hate that, but it's just not the most flattering thing for a woman over 40. And here's why. Number one, prints make you look bigger. They just do. If you want to look thinner and slimmer and taller, don't wear loud, crazy prints. Just don't do it, okay? I don't ever hardly wear crazy loud print. I never wear crazy loud prints, and that is why. Okay, so what I say instead of wearing crazy loud prints is wear an animal print. An animal print is much more polished. It's much more sophisticated. It's much more tastefully sexy. It's a little bit edgy. I just think it's cool. And it's just way better than wearing crazy loud prints. So the outfit I want to feature with this example is this awesome leopard camisole from Nordstrom. I just looked it up. It is on sale for like $25. And trust me, it does not look like it is $25. It looks like it's more like $50 or $75. It is wrinkle free. I love the lace detailing. Like, you just can't go wrong with a leopard cami. You can wear it by itself right now in the summertime when it's crazy hot out. But come fall and winter, this will transition very well because you throw on a black leather jacket over it. You throw on a black blazer over it, and you've just created an amazing fall look from this $25 leopard cami. Like, seriously, it's a no-brainer. This cami does come in other colors and prints. So if leopard is not your thing, then, I think it has like a solid black and some other colors. But this is just a great, affordable camisole. Again, that looks way more expensive than it really is. And then I just paired it back with these new jeans I just got from a brand called Kusabi. And I'm pretty sure I'm saying that wrong, but that's okay, right? I've never tried this brand of denim, but I saw this on a website and I just wanted to try them because they looked really cool. They were high-waisted. They're like a medium wash. They had some distressing, but it's not like too overdone. So I thought they were really cool, very fashion forward, a little bit edgy, which matches my personal style perfectly. And I was pleasantly surprised when I got these jeans in and tried them on because they fit like a glove. They're high-waisted with an ankle length, so they're going to make you look extremely slim, extremely tall, taller than you already are. Again, I'm 5'4", and I feel like when I wear these jeans, and I also, if I put on a heel, I feel like 5'8". So love, love, love these jeans. This is also a pair of jeans that's going to transition very well into fall because it's not like a super light wash. It's more of like a medium wash. I love it paired with like blacks and grays and whites. So these are amazing jeans, highly recommend them. I did take my regular size. So love these. And then I just did the black lace-up heels because I wanted to show y'all what they look like with jeans since I've already shown you the heels with like dresses and a skirt. So love these heels by Frame. Again, very comfortable and very wearable. Okay, the final trend that you should ditch if you're over 40 are bright tie-dye colors. So tie-dye is trending really big right now in 2020. A lot of the tie-dye prints I see are like bright colors, like purple and pink, blue and yellow. Like, I don't know. I just think that looks like maybe a middle school person should be wearing those bright tie-dye colors. I just don't think they look very sophisticated and very chic and very polished. However, if you choose a tie-dye print that's in neutral shades, like this really cool top that I picked out at Nordstrom it's like on sale for $25. It's got these beautiful gray tones and ivory tones in it, but it still is tie-dye. So it's still very on trend. However, I think it is much more tasteful and much more age appropriate than say these bright colored tie-dye prints. So love this top. I think it looks fabulous just with the half tuck worn with these high-waisted, the same jeans I just had on. I love them again. They're by Kusabi and they're fabulous. And then I did put on a white belt. This one is from the Chanel boutique in Dallas, but I will link a similar white belt with a silver buckle because I just thought it dressed up the look a bit. And then I just did some fabulous white heels. So those were the 5 summer trends that you should not wear if you're over 40, replaced with some amazing ones that you should. For more style information, you can head over to sewheather.com. And on Instagram, I'm sewheatherblog. So you guys have an amazing day. And until next time, I will see you soon. Bye-bye.